This is what I was looking for. I have been to several stores and couldn't find any seeds. So let's buy some seeds. What do we want? Ooh, we want some of these. Let's try this again. And what else would we like? English daisies. Blanket flowers. I'm out on the sidewalk because I want to collect some seeds. This is a coneflower, a purple coneflower that I started from seeds many years ago. Called Bravado, and I'm gonna take it in and see if I can start some more. This is a very nasty bagged soil, so I'm not even going to tell you what it is. But I have to use it because it's all I have at the moment. And it'll be fine.
Oh my gosh! We've got babies! Look at them all. Get down, Freya. Those are salvias. Yes. And look at this. Look at this. There's babies. Freya, get down. There's babies in there. I'm not going to take it all the way off. But look we have a germination zone. And even the tithonias. These I might have to take off because they look tall. Even the tithonias are blooming. Isn't that awesome? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to follow along.